My screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So moving towards the test construction, Professor Sharma asked me कि we will be working on this part of the domain. So, friends, there is a need for thoughtful and sound application of established principles. You cannot take the shortcut. There is set guidelines how to develop a test. You will find all these guidelines very useful, and I will discuss one by one using the data set also and my experience also. As you have seen in earlier slides, if you wish to develop a test, you need to declare the population also. And what is the goal or purpose of this test? As you have seen, number of uses of a test. If it is eliminating, screening, or diagnosing, or anything else may be in this perspective. So you need to declare the target population, and you can also go to the micro level. Students, if students is the target population, then 10th grade or 12th grade or undergraduates or PG and so on. In one of the research of my student, we try to study the ethical decision making in terms to different grades of the students, ethical decision making. You will surprise there was a change as the grades are increasing. So there was a change in ethical decision making also. Similarly, in terms to the organization also, we expect the punctuality and accountability must be same as far as the public or private sector employees are concerned. But there is a difference. The test must be able to make an inference about the testing. Okay. So general steps for test construction. Having decided the preliminary things, attribute, you have decided, target population you have chosen, as you have seen in earlier slides. Now you need to follow these steps. Planning. This is very important. If you are planning to develop and standardize a test in your research, then you need to start seriously from the day one on itself. Planning. You need to identify the gap or already developed tests in the market, available time frame with you, the budgets available to you, the experience or expertise in the domain. If you are not having, then you need to have a collaboration. You will see that 22 tests are not developed by myself only. In number of tests, I was co-author. I developed with the Lucknow University, Amity University, Integral University, Jamia University, Delhi University, and different departments of Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. So you can go for collaboration. IIM Ahmedabad 4 test, Mumbai University. So planning, you need not be expert in a specific domain, but you can have the collaboration. Planning. And the planning, you need to declare the earlier things also. What type of test it will be? Knowledge based, aptitude based, ability based. What type of items that you are going to present in this test? Multiple choice, dichotomous, fill in the blanks, quiz, and different type of test you need to ensure. How you are going to score, and all this goes under planning. So test development itself starts from the planning. Writing items for the test, how to write the items that you will see in the few slides. Then after writing the items, then you need to go for preliminary administration. Preliminary means pilot study. Then after preliminary administration, you also need to examine the reliability for the final test. After preliminary administration, you might be in a position to eliminate or delete some of the items, modify some of the items on the basis of CVI also, content validity index, experts' judgment about the item, and how the respondents are behaving or acting about each item. हर item की statistics आपको calculate करनी होगी, that you will learn in this program how to calculate within a fraction of minute. Then reliability of the final test, validity of the final test, developing the norms for the final test, and preparation of the manual. You need to develop the manual. This knowledge must be available to others to use. Planning, I have discussed some of the points about the planning. It is about the definition of the construct. You need to define what is meant by motivation. You give the specific definition. Or you can say, I am using the specific word, operational definition. Operational definition of the construct. Operational definition is real sense connected to the target population. Few days back, I developed a test for identity fusion. Identity fusion. When a person is visiting mausoleum, बड़े से बड़ा भी वहां छोटा होकर जाता है. Why it is so? Operational definition. You need to define the construct in terms to the population under study. Objective of the test: screening, elimination, diagnosis, or labeling. What is the objective? What is the purpose of this test? Target population, content of the test, whether it will be verbal or non-verbal. Test format क्या रहेगा? Multiple choice, dichotomies or dichotomous, poly, and so on. It is you to decide in the beginning itself. You know how you are going to measure the variable under study. Test format. Type of instructions, how you are going to give. Online instructions, written instructions, verbal instructions, or non-verbal instructions. How a person will understand about the test. you need to give some of the examples. This is one of the prerequisites for the test. If a person is not able to understand what is expected from me, how to respond items of these questions, then it's not a good test. Instructions. Test administration. Whether this test can be administered or individual or group at a time. Qualification and professional competence. ख्याल रहे जो मैंने आपसे कहा था, not testing, it is you, user's qualification. If as a test administrator you are giving some additional cues, inputs, then the testee will be benefited. A psychologist, an experienced researcher, a trained person can administer a test. Length कितनी होनी चाहिए? Time drawn on the basis of statistical practices. Sampling. What method you are going to use to select the sample for the target population that you are going to develop a test. Ethical and social considerations. Ethics, you need to declare. The information received through the test will be confidential in nature. You need to declare. Ethics. You will not harm using the numbers or scores based on this test. Your performance in this test will not be misused. For some of 3-4 years, I was posted in Western Railway, Mumbai. So if you look into the Western Railway local lines, the motormen, the drivers running the local trains are very smart. And they are having their union. They rarely used to follow the ethics. No dress, however, there is a dress. Indiscipline in nature. Then as a psychologist, I was asked to take care of this part. So I tried to develop the rapport formation. On the basis of this test, we are going to develop the training program or intervention programs. And your performance will not be used for any purpose. Your transfer, your posting, your promotion, no. So you need to declare the ethical and social considerations also. You will not share the performance to group. You can share with the testee when you are diagnosing some of the problems. Then you need to share with him कि आपकी इस test performance ये थी. Then interpretation of scores, friends. आपने देखा जैसे कि the score is unitless. You will learn how to make interpretation of scores in coming slides or sessions. And development of the manual. So this comes under the paradigm of planning. How to write the items, very important discussion. Command on subject matter, friends. If you are developing the test for motivation, you need to understand what is meant by motivation. जैसे मैंने आपको slide में दिखाया था. What are the sub-constructs of motivation? If you go to the Maslow needs satisfaction theory about the motivation, he suggested there are 5 sub-constructs of the motivation. If physiological need is satisfied, the person will be motivated. Physiological. Number 2, safety. Number 3, belongingness, affiliation. connectedness. Number 4, esteem. I respect myself. I respect by others also. The last, self-actualization. So you need to specify the subdomains also. तभी तो आप हर डोमेन के लिए set of questions आप लिख पाएंगे, items लिख पाएंगे. The possible domains on the basis of theoretical knowledge. Literature review. What is meant by motivation? And these are the possible sub-construct or dimensions or factors of motivation. This will guide you to write the items. कहीं ना कहीं तो बेस आपको मिलना चाहिए. You cannot jump in the paradigm. Oh, then there will be a lot of vagueness in your approach. Okay. Fully aware of the population, target population. Familiarity with the different type of items जो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया अर्लियर स्लाइड्स में, इस तरह के आइटम्स होने चाहिए. Command on language. It is an art as well as the knowledge. There is large number of freeware application software also. You can check the grammar and the syntax of the sentence or language. Expert opinion. Friends, as a researcher, you cannot be the master of this domain. After writing the item, you need to go to the experts and seek their opinion. Is the item, what is the level of simplicity? What is the level of usefulness in terms to the target attribute under study? What is the level of, you can say, the understanding? The item is clear, not clear, moderately clear, on 5-point scale or 4-point scale. Expert opinion. And on the basis of expert opinion, we used to calculate the content validity index, CVI. Cultivate a rich source of idea. Motivation. Quality of work life. Social well-being. Psychological capital. Happiness. Consumer preference. Employee retention. Number of different type of construct you can have, but rich source of ideas. If I am trying to retain an employee in the organization, then I need to talk to the top management, middle management, a group of employees, their unions. Then on the basis of ideas, then I need to develop the subconstructs. You will surprise that when I was studying the rail engine drivers, on the basis of Maslow need satisfaction theory about motivation, the self-actualization as a need was missing in their perspective. Self-actualization. It was not a need at all in their perspective. What is self-actualization? A driver के लिए क्या हो सकता है? उसे 6 घंटे इधर से ट्रेन चलाना है, अगले दिन रेस्ट करना है, फिर ट्रेन को लेकर आना है. यही उसकी साइकिल है. असिस्टेंट ड्राइवर, मेल एक्सप्रेस ड्राइवर, हाई स्पीड ड्राइवर्स, बस. It is the self-fulfillment. You will surprise that the social needs was completely missing in their perspective. Whenever they are needed into the society or societal functions, he was not able to attend them. These are the prerequisites that you need to work on before writing an item. A good item must be clear in nature. Clear. Clarity must be there. No vagueness, no ambiguity. You need to write a sentence in number of ways. When it is clear, on the basis of experts, on the basis of pilot study, then only you can accept it. Content validity index CVI, if it is greater than 0.70, then only you can accept the item. Moderately difficult, not very difficult, not very easy. Discriminating power, a item must be able to discriminate between high performer and poor performer. ऐसा ना हो हर आइटम को हर इंडिविजुअल कर ले. The person who has aptitude or attitude, he must be able to perform it, otherwise not. When we will be discussing item analysis, friends, in online testing, now there is a paradigm shift. Item response theory, IRT. Item analysis has been replaced by IRT, item response theory. Item response theory is based on ability, discriminating power. Item must be able to discriminate between high performer and poor performer. To the point, you need to be very specific. It is an art. देखिए वही चीज है. But when you are having collaboration, then definitely you will have a good point to move ahead. The item should not encourage guesswork. Item आपका ऐसा हो जिससे कि on the basis of guessing, the person must be able to select the response. Clarity in reading, independent for its meaning. A good item. Okay. Preliminary administration. Experimental tryout or pre-tryout of the test. For example, friends, if you are trying to develop a test, for example, if you are having 3 or 4 subconstruct or subdomain or factors of the test, then minimum 3 items must be there for each factor or each dimension, minimum. But it's better to have more, 5 or 6. Reason being that if number of items are higher in the subconstruct, then there will be a large number of values on a continuum. आपको बहुत variety मिलेगी, dispersion और variability मिलेगी. Or when the variability is high, so then there is all the possibility to ensure the normality. Intention यही है आपका.